Hello, what's up mga sipa?
This time, meron naman tayong bagong bike check. And this bike check is from Bikeworkx Binyan. So, hindi pa kayo nakaka-visit sa kay Bikeworkx Binyan. Meron tayong video dyan. Bike shop visit tayo na nakaraan. You can check it out. And mas maganda kung magpunta kayo sa mismong site. And yun nga pala, meron tayong bike check. And this bike check is from Bikeworkx. So, marami silang kinikare din nila yung Bikeworkx. Marami silang available na Bikeworkx doon. So, with that, nag-check tayo ng ilang Bikeworkx, including this Viper Extreme, which is a women-specific bike. So, sa mga babae dyan, na naghahanap ng bike para sa kanila, you can check this bike para i-fit nyo. Then, you can, bilhin nyo na pagkasakay nyo. And meron tayong summary ng ganyang exclusivity ng isang bike, a women-specific bike, which is they have a step-through frames, shorter reach, and shorter crank arm. Yun lang yung something na konting difference sa men's bike. Siyempre, depende pa rin sa babae. Baka there are bikes na men's bike na kasya naman fit naman sa babae. So, that's for another topic naman. And this time, magbabike check lang tayo ng Viper Extreme. So, again, as always, let's start from its frame. From its frame, it has a aluminum alloy frame with nakababa yung top tube and internal cable routing na siya. As you can see, yung badge ni Viper, yung kanyang angle na all of the possible angles na pwede nyo makita to create more kung anong meron sa bike na to. So, at least pagpunta nyo doon, more or less yan yung makikita nyo sa bike. So, lady fit, talagang specific for lady. And the size is 26. Next would be the fork. For the fork, it has a suspension fork with lockout. So, yun, yung color niya is bagay naman din sa color ng frame. Yun nga, it has a lockout. Steel fork with lockout. Next would be the cockpit. For the cockpit, it has a Viper cockpit. At sama na natin yung brake levers na combo shifter ang datingan niya. So, pag sinabing combo shifter, kasama na dun yung brakes at saka yung shifters. Ayan. So, Viper seat post and Viper saddle. For the drivetrain, it has a 3x7 drivetrain. So, naka-turny, shimming turny, at yun nga, 7 speed cassette. Viper yung crank, yun nga, 3x7 siya. Next will be the tires and rims. For the tires and rims, wala tayong nakitang brand ng tires or di ko lang napitihan siguro. And for its size is 26 by 2.125. And yung ring nga is a Viper. And lastly, for the rotors and calipers, it has a mechanical caliper and 160mm of rotor. So, sa front and rear. At yun nga, nakalimutan pwede ka na naman yung hubs. Yun. And so nga pala, for other inquiries na hindi ko nabanggit dito sa ating bike check, you can always contact Bikeworkx.
At saka nga pala, with better gears comes more confidence. So syempre, kapag mas maayos ang suot mo, mas maayos ang gamit mo, mas confident ka na gamitin yung gamit mo. So kahit pa paano, ipon-ipon para sa mas magandang gamit, para mas maayos ang ating pagbibisikleta. Kung ano man yung inyong pag-iipunan man.
Nagtiyatsaga, syempre mas masarap ang sinigang. Ewan ko sa inyo ba't gusto nyo ng nilaga, pero syempre para sa akin mas malasa ang sinigang. Okay? And this will be all for now mga kasipa, and I hope to see you on the next video.
Bye!